So the task today is to cut this into a circle. So I've set my sled, so I'll be able to make a cut, come back in the exact same position, spin it. And we're just using the fact that it's going to cut radiuses. It's like very, very basic geometry. Enough triangles make a circle. Circle. Catalpo, circle. Absolutely perfect. Circle. Really happy I got that right. Internet's fantastic. You can learn a lot here. Not from me, but from people. Wait a second, maybe from me? You know less than me than from me.